Hey guys, back to our video, and today I'm doing an unboxing. This is 2020 at home 3.5 foot inflatable pumpkin boy. So this is an unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright. So these are the new adapters they've came out with for 2020. I like them. They're a lot more like versatile and smaller. But yeah. Here's the stakes, and the bag is very, very big for some reason. So I find that a little weird. And here are the instructions. Very nice, thick instructions. Same instructions as they've always been for the past years. And it comes nicely packed in. Might I add that the colors on this thing are dark and pretty. Sam? Making a video. But yeah, so it's very dark colors in real life, and this does only have one light, but yeah, you can see the at-home tag. I just pulled it off, but it was on here. So if this was a store display, people could buy it. Let me go ahead and attach this and plug them in. Okay, and the zipper is closed. Very nice heavy weights in the bottom, and yeah. Super bright LED. He is taking a bit to inflate. Yeah, you can see the inflatable I'm unboxing in the next video. Get all the way inflated here. Alright, there he is. He's very cutesy inflatable. Very small inflatable too. Inflates nice and tight. He's a decent size. Here he is without the lights on. But yeah. Let me bring you guys in for a closer look. And yeah. So his curly little stem on top of there, and cutesy little face, and a very happy little expression. As you can see, he is dressed in his little skeleton costume, and yeah, there he is. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and bye.